2025 Topps Series 2. I guess these are jumbo poly packs. They're 36 card packs. We're going to do both, one in each video. And there's the other cards that we did. 1990 Topps, 90 Topps traded, 91, 91 Topps traded, 92. We just did those the past couple of days. Half of them are sorted already, just waiting to put them in boxes. All right, let's open up pack number 1. This will be video 1 of 2. Let's see what we can find in this series 2 pack. Start out with rookie card of Billy Cook. Got Reynaldo Lopez, Frankie Montes, Juan Yepes. Looks like we've got a National League team card of the Pittsburgh Pirates. Very nice. Jonathan Cannon. Nestor Cortez. I'm trying to see which is easier for me to look at these through the camera, or through the phone, or past the phone. There's rookie card of Kevin Alcantara. Awesome Motorola Batwing symbol up there. Very cool. David Fry. Jake Fraley. Hunter Brown. Gordon Graceffo. And that's going to be a rookie card for him. Ryan McMahon. Isaiah Kiner Falefa. Guess that's a hyphenated last name. Rookie card of Julian Aguilar. Wenceel Perez. Bo Naylor. Tawan Walker. Rookie card of Brady Basso. Elias Diaz, another Motorola Batwing symbol, very cool. Eguy Rosario. Rookie card of Daniel Schneemann, or that would be Schneemann, Daniel Schneemann. Javier Baez. Casey Schmidt. What do we got here? Nice. Looks like a pink sparkle of Dean Kremer. Is that pink or purple? Pink or purple sparkle of Dean Kremer. Very cool card. We'll throw that up. No serial number. Summer Superstars card of Francisco Lindor. Very cool on that. Stars of the MLB, we've got Jackson Chourio and Kobe Mayo, rookie card. We've got Jarren Duran, Austin Martin, Nathan Lukes. Looks like a Chicago Cubs card. 3 and no. Always better together. I think we've pulled this card before. That saying sounds familiar, but very cool card nonetheless. Sean Murphy. Ryan Weathers. Stone Garrett. And finally, an American League team card of the Minnesota Twins. Very cool. All right. So we picked up our Summer Superstars card like usual of Francisco Lindor. Good deal on that. Picked up our Stars of the MLB rookie card of Kobe Mayo. And we've got Jackson Chourio. And then a very cool pink or purple sparkle of Dean Kremer. We'll take that. Awesome. All right, folks, there you have it. 2025 Topps Series 2 36 card jumbo poly pack. Video 1 of 2. Stay tuned. We'll open up the next one in video 2.